Hey everybody, I'm here at the Hilti Media event. I'm with my friend Ed, and we're going to talk about the Scorpion, or at least I call it the Scorpion. Ed, what is this contraption that I'm wearing?
No, it's an interesting name, right? And it certainly looks like a scorpion, but this is our second product on our human augmentation systems. First, we launched Exoskeleton for overhead work. Now we launched Exoskeleton EXO T22. So the T stands for tool balancer. And what we're really doing here is we're trying to take a very difficult application, which would be wall breaking, serial wall drilling, and we're trying to take the weight off of the body, and we do that through a tool balancer.
Nice. Nice. I feel like I'm going to play hangman or something, Ed.
Well, we're going to hang a tool off of it.
Let's do it. Can we try that?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Where do we go for this?
Yeah, let's just walk right over here.
Okay. All right.
So as you walk over there, I'm going to grab what is a traditional, kind of the biggest wall breaker that I would feel comfortable using, and I think you'll see it in the trades. This is our T800. It's about a 23-pound tool. And I mean, I can break with it pretty comfortably, but
for about 2 minutes.
Yeah, for about 2 minutes. So this is, again, the most powerful wall breaker that we sell, if you want to check that guy out.
It's definitely would fatigue you over time. Looks like they've got some lanyards and things that you can strap it on you or whatever.
Yep.
But it's heavy. Are we using this one, or are we gonna
No, we're gonna go big.
All right.
So with our XOT, what we're able to do is use a tool that is traditionally designed for floor breaking.
Oh, wow.
And we're going to take all that energy and we're going to focus it on the wall. So we're going to be able to do even more productively while using a floor breaker. So let's see if you'd want to use that without any kind of help.
Oh, God, no. No way. Nope, I want this on the floor. This is too heavy.
Okay, well, let's turn it into a wall breaker. So we've got really easy to use controls.
Yep.
This is powered by our 22-volt Nuron platform. So you can see our battery.
And this is a control
control panel. So I can go down, I can make the lanyard go up. But really easy, I'm just going to pull down on my lanyard. I'm going to hook into the tool.
Okay.
Then I'm going to start to lift up.
Whoa.
And if you'll let go of the tool completely,
wow.
now we're balanced.
Yeah.
Okay, so all of that weight is going to be taken off your upper body. It's going to be put on your hips and your legs, distributed through the ground.
Yeah, totally.
You can easily one-handed operate this tool.
I am raising and lowering this thing with my hand. That's amazing.
So it allows you to get into areas where you typically wouldn't get into while you're especially with a tool this large.
I can see why you wanted the belt tight on my hips, because you can feel the weight, and so you probably want to have a good balance, right?
Yep.
Can I try this on the wall? We'll probably hook up some dust collection to it.
Let's do it.
Oh, this sounds fun. I can't believe this. Whoops, sorry.
You're good. Okay.
I cannot believe how easy it is. Unbelievable. So one of the things that, let me turn the vacuum off for a second.
Sure.
One of the things that I think are, I noticed, I posted on this yesterday on Instagram, and people were kicking the heck out of it. That's goofy, I'd never do that.
Right.
I'd never spend the money. I think if this was your application and this was your business, and you were in commercial concrete, or you had to do this kind of work, or drilling, or, I mean, I don't know, maybe even plumbers putting in like an on-demand water heater, just lifting it up and stuff. I just see this is going to save your body.
Right.
When is this coming out?
So this launches in January of 2024.
Yep.
We'll certainly have it at World of Concrete.
And pricing's probably not even available yet, right?
So we're looking at around $19.99 for this.
$19.99. Wow. So, I mean, if you want to take care of your guys, this is the way to do it,
Yeah, I mean, wall breaking's tough. It shreds the upper body. Typically, when you're wall breaking, you break for 20 minutes, or you break and then you take a break for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
This allows you to work more productively. It's still fatiguing. You're still going to want to take those breaks because it's exertion.
Yeah, it's more core now and less shoulders.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Wow, this is just so impressive. It's amazing, the counterbalance.
But you also notice we're sitting here talking and you're holding a 35-pound tool like it's nothing.
Not even, yeah. It's amazing. I can hold it up with one hand, and this is pretty impressive. Are there other applications you can think of?
Really, we designed it for on-ground wall breaking.
Yep.
You could certainly do, if you had serial drilling, doweling, you could certainly use it for that. Coring, maybe not as much because the bit stabilizes the core rig, but really braking, drilling, anything on a wall where you're doing a heavier application, this is a great fit.
Very, very cool. So one thing I wanted to mention is, what about runtime with this? How long does one battery last?
Yeah, so on our B170s, depending on the breaker that you're using, you can get 3 to 4 hours of braking, no problem. Our 255s take it even a little bit further.
Nice. And then once the battery dies, does the tool just fall to the ground and smash, or what happens?
Yeah, no, that would be disastrous. Absolutely not. No, in the software, we've built in a gentle release. So when the battery is dead or the battery is removed, it'll gently fall very, very slowly. I mean, you can literally just reach out and grab it.
Any alerts or sounds or anything like that?
No, you'll know as soon as it shuts off, you'll feel it, and then you'll see the tool gradually start to fall.
Well, Ed, hey, thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for your time.
This was a lot of fun. Thanks, everybody.